Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about Verizon and what is the best way how you can get it lower. So the first thing is that you can actually like bundle it with mobile and how you can get like cheaper. So with Verizon Wireless or Visible to save up to like $15 to $25 a month. So call to cancel, starting or switching to a competitor like Spectrum Optimum, and retention agents often have better deals than standard customer service. And you can also like use your own router. This is another way how you can get it cheaper. So while many new plans include a router, if you are paying a rental fee, switch to your own equipment to save monthly costs. You want to also like drop to like lower speed, and you want to also like check what the app offers. So that's like another thing. And you want to also check the eligibility for Verizon Forward. So that's like another thing for you to do, and maybe what something like worked. So you want to also sign up always for autopay and paper-free billing, and this is typically required to get like lowest fees. So that's something that you can of course like do. And these are the primary things. So definitely like call the kind of like the retention and try to ask and negotiate. And even like when there is like new offer, like your partner could get it. So like a new sign up. So that's something that you can try. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great